It is April. I feel violated. This just broke. Go to my mum and ask for food. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's so hot today. Like honestly, I don't know, like why is it so hot? It is April, end of April. And they always say that April is the month that there's like thunderstorms and rain and all that bullshit. I think there has not been a stormy day. Heat wave, honestly. And obviously the warmth, it just reminds you of summer. Although there's nothing to do, I'm stuck inside. Quarantine is still happening and I can't go to work. I don't know where this is going, just follow me. When it's warm, I get a little bit of summer feeling, and just summer feeling, it just smells like bad decisions. I have a lot of styles, but apparently the style that I wear most, which I call grunge, I guess, or just dark shit, you know. Not this. Like I said, I have many styles. This is my summer vibing. My sister to me went the other week, like, because she's sort of got the same style as I do, and she just went like, someone reacted on my photo that I'm such an e-girl. And she's like, what's an e-girl? And I'm like, honey, I don't know. I'm too old for this bullcrap. And so we looked it up, and well, we basically found our style. Apparently it's called e-girl. Apparently part of my style is being an e-girl. So to do that full-on transformation, like there's this new trend with the hair, and then you have those lips where you just go over it's called something. Is it a bow or something? Cupido bow? Is it that? I don't know. But they just, with their lipstick, they just completely ignore it, they just go up. And that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna turn myself into a full 100 e-girl. There's another week or maybe two before I can go to work, so now is the time to fuck up. So I'm gonna go for green. I feel weird today. Am I giving a weird vibe? I feel weird. You know those TikTok things? I'm on TikTok now. Follow me. But just for makeup things, I just really enjoy doing my makeup, and I like the makeup tutorials, like where you go like, ooh yeah, there's nothing on my face, and now there is makeup. It's just cool, you know. But now I feel really old. Everything is about angles. Use the back camera, sunlight, and the G6 filter, and then they go like, whoa, and I'm like, when I try that, I look older than I already am, so. And I can't look into the sun. My eyes just can't deal with that, so I guess it's not for me. I feel violated. Okay, I'm not naked. So, I bought these two new, so it was pure violet, right? And never seen green. So we're going for green. I have no idea what it looks like. So this is just a semi-permanent, and you can mix it with some conditioner. What am I doing, honestly? It's like I'm about to cut myself bangs or something. It is happening. Okay, enjoy. Okay. I don't know how long to leave this on. I don't remember. It's been so long since I used this product. Okay, so it says process for 20 minutes for more pasteurization or softer use, process for 5 to 10 minutes, or for more vibrant and intensity, extend the timing to 30 minutes. So I think I'm gonna go with 20 because I want it to be kind of pastel, but I also don't want it to be soft. So we're going with 20. Fun story, I was balls deep into TikTok and I realized I showed you the timer and then apparently I paused it. So I don't know how long this has been on. I don't know how long I've been zoomed out, so I'm gonna wash it now. Oh god. Okay. It's not even that extreme. You barely see. My dad is not even gonna notice because he's colorblind. This just broke. It happened when I bleached it. So. Oh no. Oh Lord, help me. Oh yeah. It's not that, it's, you barely see it. Honestly, it's been on there for like 30 minutes. Right, before I'm gonna do a whole makeup, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go to my mum and ask for food. Okay, I'm back and fully fed. Important. I've noticed that e-girls don't really wear that much eye makeup. They just mostly wear a wing, which I already normally do, so that's kind of boring. I'm gonna just search e-girls for a bit. I'm just gonna fast forward this part because I just want to quickly do my makeup, you know. Why is my eye just fucked? Look at all the skin. I literally normally don't have that. I don't know what's going on with my whole fucking eye, but since a few weeks it just has that, which is great. Oh my god. Okay, so the makeup is done. I think I did everything that an e-girl would do. Now we just need some hair and obviously clothes because it doesn't really fit. Right. I think we're good. To be honest, I wish that this was a little bit darker, but obviously, like I said, I can always go darker. So I think I might change that. I think I might dye over it again. Right. Let's do some close-up shots. Right, let's take it outside. Okay, put the outfit though. Ooh, just in time for golden hour. Oh my god, I'm gonna just stop right here. Oh, hey. Oh, right. I'm gonna take some shots in the golden hour because obviously I wouldn't be complete if I didn't take some golden hours pictures. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm digging the look, but it doesn't look like me. I'm feeling weirded out looking at myself. But yeah, guess I'm not a full-on e-girl, just a wannabe. Anyway, thanks for watching. Definitely check out the pictures on my look at the fucking highlighter. Oh my god, honey. And go to my Instagram at the Zooster to see the pictures. And yeah, see you later. Bye!